Okay, question number 90. A spring of spring constant 13 Newton per meter is suspended vertically from the top. So you have a spring which has been suspended like this. The spring obeys Hooke's law. Initially, the spring is not compressed, not stretched. Okay. A mass of 0.5 kg is attached to the bottom of the spring. The moment you attach a mass here, the mass is released from rest and fall. Okay. So what you do is you hold this, and the moment you leave it, now this falls down like this. Falls down like this. Okay. In this motion that follows, what is the maximum extension of the spring? So what should we do now here? So what we do is, see, when you release the spring over here, the spring, when you release the object over here, the object now starts its motion, which means its initial velocity is 0. When it comes to the middle point of this one here, its velocity would be maximum. And after that, the spring starts extending, and finally when it comes here, its velocity once again becomes a 0 over here. Now we know, if I want to apply Hooke's law, what is the Hooke's law tells you? That there is a tension which is acting over here, which you call as restoring force. This should be equal to kx. This should be equal to kx. Okay. Now why does the tension act? Because of the force that has been acting. So therefore, kx should be equal to mg. Okay. Mg is nothing but the force that you are acting. Now what is k? K is 30 Newton per meter. X is as usual the extension, which is this extension. X is over here is equal to mg. What is m? M is 0.5 multiplied by g. Let us say 10. So this should be equal to 5. Or in other words, x should be equal to 5 by 30, which is equal to 1 by 6. Now what is he asking? What is the maximum extension of the spring? See, the spring has started from here, it extended here until the velocity becomes 0, and after that also it went on until it reached the maximum value, right? So therefore, the total extension is x plus x over here, which is 2x. Thus 2x will now be equal to, substitute this x equal to 1 by 6, it becomes 1 by 3, and this should be equal to 0.33. Thus the answer is D over here.